Tabert Cellini, the ultimate luxury caravan experience. Get ready to explore one of the most luxurious caravans in the world, the Tabert Cellini. Made by the famous German company Tabert, this caravan is all about comfort, style, and top quality living on the move. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the fine details, soft lighting, elegant furniture, and spacious interiors that feel more like a high-end apartment than a camper. The Cellini features a fully equipped kitchen where you can cook like you're at home, cozy sleeping areas to rest after a long day, and a living space that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Every inch is designed with care, using high-quality materials and smart design to give you the best camping experience possible. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a long road adventure, the Tabert Cellini makes every trip feel special. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying the journey in style and comfort. 10 Tracks Ascend, your perfect lightweight adventure trailer. The 10 Tracks Ascend is an awesome off-road trailer made for adventure lovers who want to explore without giving up comfort. It's small and light, so you can easily tow it even on rough, bumpy trails. Its strong and stylish design makes it a dependable travel buddy no matter where you go. Inside, you get 35 cubic feet of locked, sealed storage space to safely pack all your camping gear and keep it dry and secure. When the day ends, the 10 Tracks Ascend offers a full-size padded bed that lets you sleep comfortably under the open sky. One of the best parts is how simple it is to set up and take down your camp. No complicated steps, just quick and easy. Whether you're heading to remote wilderness spots or popular campgrounds, this trailer makes camping hassle-free and fun. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to travel light but stay cozy. The Bee Turtle is an amazing tiny camper that doubles as a bike trailer and a cozy micro caravan. It's made from lightweight aluminum and weighs only 25 kilograms, so it's easy to tow behind your bike without slowing you down. When folded up, it looks just like a regular bike trailer, giving you plenty of room to carry your bags and gear. But when you want to camp, it quickly transforms. Just unfold the tent and inflate the deck platform to create a comfy sleeping space raised off the ground. This means you get a better night's sleep, protected from dirt and bugs. The tent is surprisingly spacious for its size, with enough headroom for two people to sit or move around comfortably. It's perfect for those who love adventure and want a simple, portable home on wheels that fits right behind their bike. The Bee Turtle starts at about $3,100, making it an affordable choice for anyone who wants to explore the outdoors without carrying heavy or bulky camping gear. The Summer Sun 84 houseboat is a spacious and stylish floating home, ideal for big families or groups who love adventure on the water. Measuring 84 feet long and 16 feet wide, it offers a huge 1,344 square feet of comfortable living space. Inside, the modern design makes it feel cozy and welcoming, with a large living area perfect for relaxing or spending time with friends and family. The kitchen is fully equipped, making it easy to prepare your favorite meals while on board. The bedrooms are private and comfy, giving everyone a great place to rest after a fun day. Outside, the flybridge is a fantastic spot to enjoy fresh air and amazing views. You can fire up the barbecue grill for tasty meals and hang out under the covered patio, which keeps you cool and shaded from the sun. Turnkey Race Hauler. The Turnkey Race Hauler is a powerful and reliable trailer designed for serious racing teams who need to move their vehicles and gear safely and efficiently. Built with strong yet lightweight all-aluminum construction and smooth 0.125-inch side panels, it's made to last while keeping the weight down for better performance. At 53 feet long, 102 inches wide, and 13 feet 6 inches tall, it has plenty of space to carry race cars, tools, and equipment with ease. What makes this hauler special is how customizable it is. Teams can design the inside to fit their needs, choosing cabinet layouts, lighting setups, and storage options that help them stay organized and ready at every race. It rides on a heavy-duty spread tandem suspension system rated for 40,000 pounds, so it stays stable and smooth even with a full load. Whether you're traveling to local tracks or cross-country events, this race hauler is built to handle it all. The VanWorks MaxTrax Crafter is a luxury camper van made for true adventure lovers. Built on the reliable VW Crafter or MAN TGE chassis, it's designed to take you off the beaten path without sacrificing comfort. Inside, it features a cozy fixed double bed, a smartly arranged kitchen with all the essentials, and a well-equipped bathroom, perfect for life on the road. It's powered by solar panels and a strong lithium battery, allowing you to live off-grid with ease while still enjoying modern comforts like lights, cooking, and charging devices. On the outside, this van means business. With its rugged lift kit, off-road tires, and sturdy roof rack, it's ready for mountains, forests, or desert trails. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or just need a comfortable base to relax, the MaxTrax Crafter gives you everything in one compact, mobile unit. Volvo Vera. The Volvo Vera is a smart, self-driving electric truck designed to move goods without a driver. Built by Volvo Trucks, Vera runs entirely on electricity and uses advanced sensors and artificial intelligence to drive itself safely and efficiently. It's mainly used in places like ports, factories, and warehouses, areas with controlled traffic and fixed routes. This makes it ideal for short-distance tasks like moving cargo between terminals or loading areas. With no driver's cabin, Vera has a sleek, low-profile design that looks like something from the future. It's not just stylish, it's built for clean, quiet, and reliable operation. Since it's fully electric, Vera produces no emissions, helping companies reduce their carbon footprint while also saving on fuel and labor costs. It also helps improve safety by removing human error from the equation. While Volvo hasn't announced the exact price, Vera isn't just about cost, it's about innovation. Waya is an amazing floating city made of pyramid-shaped modules that connect together on water. It offers a unique living experience with everything you need: hotels to stay in, shops to explore, spas for relaxation, gyms to keep fit, bars for fun, and cinemas for entertainment. This city is built to be eco-friendly, using solar panels and water turbines to generate its own energy, making it a self-sustainable community. The main pyramid rests on a large floating base, about 54 meters wide and long, giving it plenty of space, around 3,000 square meters. This base includes a big entrance for boats and a welcoming reception area. Underwater, the pyramid stores its engines, energy systems, and generators in a special basement spread across 10 floors, covering 6,500 square meters. The whole structure rises about 30 meters above the waterline, making it an impressive sight. Will Smith's Motorhome, luxury living on the move. Will Smith's Motorhome, known as the Heat, is a stunning example of luxury on wheels. This amazing mobile home reportedly cost over $2.5 million and is designed to match the actor's high-profile lifestyle. When fully opened up, it offers about 1,200 square feet of space across 2 floors, a true engineering masterpiece. Inside, the design blends modern and rustic styles, creating a warm yet stylish atmosphere. The living area is cozy with plenty of comfortable seats and a big flat-screen TV, perfect for relaxing or watching movies. The kitchen has all the latest appliances, and the dining table can easily transform into a workspace if needed. The bathroom is elegant and includes a shower and a vanity area. The bedroom is spacious with a king-size bed and plenty of storage space for clothes and belongings. The Z-Triton is a truly unique vehicle that combines a boat, a tricycle, and a camper all in one. This amazing design lets you travel on both land and water, making it perfect for adventurers who want to explore hard-to-reach places. What's even better is that it's made from eco-friendly materials like organic fiberglass and recycled plastic bottles, helping to protect the planet while you travel. When used as a camper, the Z-Triton can comfortably sleep 2 people. It features a small kitchen with a sink, stove, and refrigerator, plus a cozy seating area and storage space for your gear. On land, you simply pedal the tricycle to get around. When you want to switch to water travel, you turn on the electric motors and steer the boat using the handlebars. The base Z-Triton costs around $166,300, and the camper and boat parts are optional extras that you can add depending on your needs. This means you can customize your adventure vehicle just the way you want it.